Welcome to eiwayshop. Today we're diving into the world of flawless foundation application. Achieving that perfect base can sometimes feel like a daunting task, but with these 10 essential tips, you'll be able to create a smooth, even, and long-lasting foundation look every time. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, these techniques will help you get the most out of your foundation and ensure your skin looks its best. So let's get started on the path to a flawless complexion. Tip number 1, prep your skin. The key to a flawless foundation application starts with well-prepped skin. Begin by cleansing your face to remove any dirt, oil, or impurities. Follow up with a toner to balance your skin's pH levels. Next, apply a moisturizer suitable for your skin type. Hydrated skin ensures that the foundation goes on smoothly and doesn't cling to dry patches. Don't forget to include sunscreen in your routine to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Well-prepped skin creates the perfect canvas for your foundation. Tip number 2, use a primer. Primer is a game changer when it comes to achieving a flawless foundation look. A good primer creates a smooth surface for your foundation, helps it last longer, and can even address specific skin concerns. For example, if you have oily skin, opt for a mattifying primer. If your skin is dry, choose a hydrating primer. There are also color-correcting primers available to neutralize redness or sallowness. Apply a small amount of primer to your face and let it set for a minute before moving on to your foundation. Tip number 3, choose the right foundation. Selecting the perfect foundation for your skin type and tone is crucial. With so many options available, it's important to find one that matches your skin's needs. If you have oily skin, go for an oil-free matte foundation. For dry skin, a hydrating, dewy finish foundation works best. If your skin is combination, consider a satin finish foundation that balances both oil and moisture. Additionally, ensure that the shade matches your skin tone. Test the foundation on your jawline or wrist to find your perfect match. Tip number 4, use the right tools. The tools you use to apply your foundation can make a significant difference in the final look. Brushes, sponges, and even your fingers can be used to apply foundation, but each method has its own benefits. A dense foundation brush can provide full coverage and a polished finish. A beauty sponge, like the Beauty Blender, can offer a natural, seamless look. Your fingers can warm up the product, making it easier to blend. Experiment with different tools to find the one that works best for you and your desired finish. Tip number 5, apply foundation in thin layers. One of the biggest mistakes people make when applying foundation is using too much product at once. This can lead to a cakey, unnatural appearance. Instead, apply your foundation in thin layers, building up coverage gradually. Start with a small amount of foundation on the center of your face and blend it outwards. Use a stippling motion with your brush or sponge to ensure an even application. If you need more coverage, add another thin layer. This method allows for a more natural, skin-like finish. Tip number 6, blend, blend, blend. Blending is essential for achieving a flawless foundation look. Take your time to blend your foundation thoroughly into your skin, paying special attention to areas where the product might accumulate, like around the nose, hairline, and jawline. Use circular motions with your brush or patting motions with your sponge to blend the foundation seamlessly. Don't forget to blend down your neck to avoid any harsh lines. Proper blending ensures that your foundation looks natural and smooth. Tip number 7, set your foundation. Setting your foundation is crucial for making it last all day. After applying your foundation, use a setting powder to lock it in place. If you have oily skin, opt for a mattifying powder to control shine. For dry skin, a lightweight hydrating powder works best. Use a fluffy brush to dust the powder lightly over your face, focusing on areas that tend to get oily, like the T-zone. Setting your foundation helps prevent it from moving, creasing, or fading throughout the day. Tip number 8, conceal strategically. Concealer can be a powerful tool when used correctly. Apply concealer after your foundation to areas that need extra coverage, such as under the eyes, around the nose, or on blemishes. Choose a concealer that is 1 to 2 shades lighter than your foundation for brightening the under-eye area. Use a small brush or your finger to blend the concealer, ensuring it seamlessly merges with your foundation. Set the concealer with a light dusting of powder to keep it in place. Tip number 9, use setting spray. A setting spray can be the final touch that ensures your foundation stays flawless all day. Setting sprays help to meld all the layers of makeup together, giving your skin a more natural, dewy finish. They also help to lock in your makeup, making it last longer. Hold the spray at arm's length and mist it over your face in an X and T formation. Allow the spray to dry naturally and resist the urge to touch your face until it's completely set. Tip number 10, touch up as needed. Throughout the day, your foundation may need a little touch-up to stay looking perfect. Carry a small powder compact and a concealer with you for quick fixes. If you notice any shine, gently blot the area with a blotting paper or a tissue before applying a light dusting of powder. For any spots that need extra coverage, dab on a bit of concealer and blend it out. Touching up ensures that your foundation remains flawless from morning till night. Achieving a flawless foundation application doesn't have to be complicated. By following these 10 tips, you can create a smooth, even, and long-lasting base that enhances your natural beauty. Remember, the key to a perfect foundation look is preparation, the right products, and proper techniques. Experiment with these tips to find what works best for you and your skin type. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to eiwayshop for more beauty tips and tutorials. Stay beautiful.